So it's Annie out here with some awesome friends that we did a bathroom for recently. And today they're just going to give us a little idea what it was like to work with us. So what problem were you trying to solve in the bathroom?
Updating mostly.
Yeah, definitely updating builder grade bathroom.
And what was your experience like?
Working with Gill's Construction was extremely professional. We were really impressed with how they cleaned every day, the professionalism of every worker that was in our home when we weren't here. We were very impressed with all that.
Super. And if someone were considering using Gill Construction, what words of advice might you have for them?
My words of advice would be just make the phone call and let them do the rest.
Ooh, I like that. That sounds cool.
Very simple.
Is there anything we could have done differently that would have made your experience better? Because even though we strive, to meet your expectations, there's usually something we could do better.
And we really appreciate that question. I would just think communicating more with the timing of how things were going to go. Sometimes I know in the construction world things take different amounts of time, so just kind of having communicated that a little bit better would have been helpful for our schedules.
Cool. Well, thank you so much for sharing your experience, and we hope you love your bathroom as much as we enjoyed looking at the final pictures of it.
Oh, we definitely love it.
We definitely love it. 10 out of 10 recommend.
For sure.
Thank you.